Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to set up recurring tasks in ClickUp. So first of all, just open your ClickUp account and go where you want to set the task as recurring task. So I'm going to select this list under this space, click on the task, and here just click on this start to do option. Here you can see this option set recurring, just click on it, and as you can see, uh, there are different type of options like daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. So what are these options? Let's talk about daily. Now in daily, the task will repeat every day, useful for things like daily reports, daily checklists, posting content daily. What about weekly? Weekly, the task will repeat every week on the same day. For example, every Monday, useful for weekly meetings, weekly uploads, or weekly reviews. Now let's talk about monthly. Monthly, the task will repeat every month on a specific date, like the first or fifth. Like when you choose monthly, as you can see, the first day of the month or the last day of the month. Third Friday, same day each month. Now, what about yearly? The task repeats once a year on the same date, useful for anniversary reminders, annual renewals, or yearly goals, as you can see. Okay, so we'll go with daily. Now in daily, if you want, you can also skip weekends. So it will skip Saturday and Sunday. Now if you want to keep this task recur forever, you can enable this option. Or if you want to just keep it for 3 to 4 days, you disable this and write whatever day you desire, the number of days. So I'm going to set it for 2 days. As you can see, 2 times, 2 days. All right. Now, what is this option? Create new task. So this option creates a brand new task every time the repeat happens. Your old task stays as history and a new one appears with a fresh due date. This is perfect when you want a clean record of each task such as weekly reports, monthly invoices, content uploads, client check-ins. So just click on this options, and from here you can include everything if you want, or you can just choose whatever desired option you want to keep. Alright, just click on save and just click on save. You will be good to go. So that's it. That's how you can create recurring tasks in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.